नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का एचडी क्लासेस में स्वागत है। एंड इन दिस वीडियो आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.4 which is based on the formula method. Okay, so first question in which we have to find out the values of a, b, c by comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Let's start to solve this question. Okay, so first question, find the values of a, b, c by comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So first is x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. So comparing with x square, okay, comparing with okay, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so value of a is, okay, first a, there is no number, so 1, b minus 7 and c is equal to 5. Just you have to find the values. Okay, first question. Okay, second, 2m square is equal to 5 minus 5, so rearrange this. So 2m square minus 5m, this plus 5 is equal to 0. Comparing with, okay, you have to compare, just comparing with a m square plus b m plus c is equal to 0. Therefore value of a is 2. You can see b is minus 5 and c is 5. Okay, so these are the values for the second equation. Come to third, y square is equal to 7y. Just rearrange this, y square minus 7y and this is plus 0 is equal to 0 because c, the value of c is not given. Comparing with, okay, just comparing with, okay, a y square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Therefore y means a, so 1, b minus 7 and c is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the first equation in which we have to just find out the values of a, b and c. Just do the comparison with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of the quadratic equation, and just write the values of a, b, c. Okay, so first equation we have solved, and now we are going to solve second equation. Okay, come to the second category problem. Okay, in which given that solve using formula, we have to solve using formula. Okay, so x square plus 6x plus 5, this is the first problem, is equal to 0. So just comparing with, okay, you have to write same thing, comparing with, okay, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 1. You can see that b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 5. Okay, so formula is there, b square minus 4ac you have to find first. Okay, so b square is what, 6 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 5. Okay, so it is 36 minus this 4 into 2, 20, so you'll get 16. Okay, now use the formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus in the square bracket b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, so this is the formula, we have to use this formula. So x is equal to minus b means minus 6 plus minus 16 upon 2 into a is what, 1. Okay, so you'll get x is equal to minus 6 plus minus 4 divided by 2. Therefore x is equal to, okay, minus 6 plus 4 divided by 2, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 divided by 2. Okay, therefore you'll get x is equal to minus 2 divided by 2, or x is equal to minus 10 divided by 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 1, or x is equal to minus 5. Okay, so these are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Finally you have to write, therefore minus 1 and minus 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Just don't forget, write the word statement here. Okay, word statement you have to write here. So in this way you have to solve. This is the formula, b square minus 4ac. Just put the values, do the calculation, then x minus b plus minus in the square bracket b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Just put the values of a, b, c in the particular place and do the particular calculation. Perfect calculation, you get your solution. Okay, come to the second point, x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore comparing with, okay, just write same thing here, comparing with, okay, again a x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 2. Okay, therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 3 square minus 4 into a is 1 and minus 2. Okay, so it is 9, and this is minus 2 into minus 4, it is plus 8. Okay, so it is 17. Okay, now come to the next point. Therefore, what is the formula? X is equal to minus b in the square bracket plus minus b square minus 4ac and divide by 2a. Okay, so x is equal to minus b means minus minus 3. Okay, so it is minus minus 3 plus minus root 17 and then divide by 2a means 1. So x is equal to 3 plus minus root 17 divided by 2. Therefore x is equal to 3 plus root 17 divided by 2. Okay, or x is equal to 3 minus root 17 divided by 2. Okay, so these are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, finally you write 3 plus root 17 upon 2 and 3 minus root 17 upon 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, just don't forget to write the word statement here. Okay, after completing this. So this is the problem number 1 from the category second, and this is problem number 2. Okay, we have solved it. Just a little calculation, b square minus 4ac, then use the formula minus b plus minus in the square bracket b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and just do the calculation properly, you'll get your solution. Okay, these are the first two problems we have solved from the second question, and now we're going to solve question number 3. Okay, come to the third problem. In this problem, 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0 is given. So comparing with, okay, comparing with, you have to write same thing. Comparing with am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. Okay, this is general form of the quadratic equation. Okay, therefore a is equal to, you know that 3, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 7. Okay, just use formula b square minus 4ac first find. Okay, b is what? 2 square minus 4 into a is 3 and this is minus 7. Okay, so do this. This is 4 minus, okay, just 4 I'm keeping as it is, and this is minus 21. So 4 plus this is 84. You can do this, and this is 88. Okay, so now use the formula. Therefore m is equal to minus b plus minus in the square bracket b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, just put the value m is equal to, therefore minus b, I have 2 minus 2 plus minus, okay, 88 and 2 into a means 3. Okay, so m is equal to minus 2 plus minus, okay, can I divide this by any number? Okay, just I need to think. Okay, 4 into 22. Okay, so it is 4 into 22 divided by 6. Okay, so rest I'm writing on this side. Therefore m is equal to minus 2 plus minus, take 2 out of the bracket, 22 divided by 6. Okay, therefore m is equal to minus 2 plus 2 root 22 divided by 6, or m is equal to, you write minus 2 22 divided by 6. Okay, therefore just don't forget, take 2 out of the bracket, minus 1 plus 22 root 22 divided by 6, or m is equal to, take 2 out of the bracket, minus 1 minus root 22 divided by 6. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. Okay, so m is equal to minus 1 plus root 22 divided by 3, or m is equal to minus 1 minus root 22 divided by 3. Okay, so these are the final roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, so in this way you have to do the calculation, but whenever you are going to do the calculation, be careful, don't write any miss number at the place of abc in the formula also and at anywhere. Okay, and do the correct calculation, you'll get correct solution. Okay, this is the problem number 3. We have solved it. These are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Finally we write the word statement. Therefore minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3 and minus 1 minus root 22 upon 3 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Just don't forget to write the word statement. I have not written that in the problems. You have to write, okay, whenever you are going to solve these problems in the exam or on your notebook. Okay, so this is problem number 3. We have solved it, and now we are going to solve problem number 4. Okay, so we'll solve the problem number 4. In this problem, 5m square minus 4am plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 is given. Therefore comparing with, okay, just write same things. Comparing with, okay, am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. Okay, So you'll get A is equal to 5, B is equal to minus 4, and C is equal to minus 2. Okay, now use these values. Therefore minus B square, B square minus 4AC. Okay, so B is what? Minus 4, its square minus 4. Okay, A is 5 and C is minus 2. Okay, so put the values. So you'll get 16 minus 4, and this is minus 10. So this is 16 and plus 40, and this is 56. Okay, just do the correct addition. Therefore I will write, okay, what I want, m is equal to minus B. Okay, minus B and plus minus in the bracket B square minus 4AC divide by 2A. Okay, just put this. Therefore m is equal to minus B plus minus in the bracket, what is, okay, B, what is the value of B? We'll write that here, minus minus 4. Okay, so it is minus minus 4. Okay, so minus, I am writing here minus 4. Okay, plus minus, it is 56, and divide by 2 into A, it is 5. Okay, so just solve this. M is equal to, this is plus 4 plus minus, and if I write this 14 into 4. Okay, so I'll get 2 out of the bracket and 14 will remaining, or I will write one more step here. Okay, so then you will understood. Okay, so this is 14 into 4. Okay, divide by this 10. So remaining I am writing here. Therefore m is equal to, what is there, 4 plus minus 2 is taken out of the bracket, 14 is remaining in the bracket, and this is 10. Therefore m is equal to just 4 plus 2 into 14, 10, or m is equal to 4 minus 2 into 14 divided by this 10. Okay, therefore m is equal to, you can take 2 out of the bracket, so 2 plus 14 divided by 10, or m is equal to, take out of the 2 minus root 14 divided by 10. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 5s are, here is 2 ones are 2 5s are. Therefore m is equal to 2 plus root 14 divided by 5, or m is equal to 2 minus root 14 divided by 5. Okay, so these are the final roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, so again you have to write, therefore 2 plus root 14 upon 5 and 2 minus root 14 upon 5 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Don't forget to write the word statement after completing the solution. Okay, completing the calculation. आपको word statement लिखना है, आपको शब्दों में लिखना है. Okay, कि ये दोनों given quadratic equation के roots है. Okay, don't forget this thing. Okay, this is problem number 4. You have solved it. And now we are going to solve problem number 5. Okay, just put the values, do the correct calculation, you will get your correct solutions. Okay, so we'll solve the problem number 5, in which y square plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2 is given. So just dividing throughout by 3. Okay, we have to just cancel these 3 from the dividing throughout. Okay, by 3 we get, okay, we get, okay, so divide throughout by 3 we get, what are you good? Therefore 3y square plus y is equal to 6. Rearrange this 3y square plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so 6 will be minus, then comparing with, okay, comparing with a y square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, therefore a is equal to 3, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 6. Okay, we got this. Therefore find b square. Minus 4ac is equal to b is 1 square minus 4 into a is 3, and this is minus 6. Okay, so this is 1 minus 4, and this is minus 18. Okay, 6 3s are 18. Okay, so 1 and this you do. Okay, 4 8s are 70, 4 8s are 32s are, okay, 2, and this 4 1s are 4, and this is plus. Okay, so this is 73. Okay, now use the formula. What we have to, y is equal to minus b plus minus in the square bracket 4 minus ac and divide by 2a. Okay, now put the value just. Okay, therefore y is equal to, I will get minus b means what? Minus b. Okay, it is 1. So minus 1 plus minus in the square bracket 73 divide by this 2 into a means 2 into 3. Okay, so therefore y is equal to, I will get minus 1 plus minus in the square bracket 73, and this is 6 Therefore y is equal to minus 1 plus root 73 divided by 6, or y is equal to minus 1 minus root 73 divided by 6. Okay, so these are the final roots of the given quadratic equation. You have to write in the word. Okay, so in this way just put the values. Okay, abc values, just do the calculation, just convert the given equation in this format, then compare with ay square plus by is equal to plus c is equal to 0. Then find out the values of abc, put that values in b square minus 4ac, then use the formula and put that values in the formula and do the proper calculation. You will get your solution. Okay, this is the problem number 5. We have solved it, and now we are going to solve problem number 6. Okay, come to the sixth problem. Okay, in this problem 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0 is given. So comparing with x square. Okay, same method you have to follow here. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 5, b is equal to 13, and c is equal to 8. Okay, therefore b square minus 4ac use here. B square means what? 13 square minus 4 into a is 5 and c is 8. Okay, so 13 square 169 minus 4 and this 5 8 is 40. Okay, you do this. Okay, so 169, 4 4s are 16 and 0, so it is 9. Okay, so use the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus in the square bracket b square minus 4ac divided by this, divided by 2a. Okay, just put the values. Therefore x is equal to, okay, minus b, what is minus b? Minus 13. Okay, plus minus root, okay, 9 divided by this 2a. Okay, so 2 into a is 5. Okay, so do this. X is equal to minus 13 and this is plus minus this 3. Okay, because the square root of 9 is 3 and this is 10. Therefore now solve this. Therefore x is equal to I will get minus 13 plus 3 divided by this 10, or x is equal to minus 13 minus 3 divided by 10. Okay, so I will get x is equal to minus 10 divided by 10, or x is equal to minus 16 divided by 10. Okay, so I'll get x is equal to minus 1, or I will get x is equal to, okay, this is 16 upon 10. Okay, so I divide by minus 8 and 5. Okay, so these are the square roots of the given quadratic equation. Write in words. Okay, write in word. Okay, x, okay, minus 1 and minus 8 upon 5 are the roots of the given quadratic equation, right? Okay, so this is the solution. Just put the values. Perfect calculation is required, and finally you get your solution. Okay, these are the roots of the given quadratic equation. This is the problem number 6, and we have completed it. And this is the last problem from the question number 2. We have completed it, and now we are going to solve last problem, which is based on the activity question number 3 from the practice set 2.4. Okay, so we'll solve the question number 3, which is activity based, and but this question is similar to your question number 2. So same method will follow here to solve this. Okay, so comparing with, okay, x square plus 2 root 3 x plus 3 is equal to comparing. Okay, comparing with, okay, x square plus b x plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to, I'll get 1, b is equal to, I'll get 2 root 3, and c I will get 3. Okay, therefore find the value of b square minus 4ac. You have to find the values of abc. First we find that. So b square 2 root 3 bracket square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 3. Okay, so 2 square is 4 into 3 minus 4 into 3. Okay, so it is 12 minus 12, so it is 0. Okay, now once you get this value, okay, so just, therefore b square minus 4ac, okay, is equal to this. Okay, now put the value in the equation. X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, so therefore x is equal to, what is this? Minus b, it is minus 2 root 3, okay, plus minus, okay, in the square bracket it is 0. Okay, and now below this 2 into 1. Okay, so you'll get x is equal to, this 0 is 2 minus 3 plus minus 0, and this is 2. Therefore I'm writing remaining here. Therefore x is equal to, you will get minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. Okay, so x is equal to minus root 3. Okay, so this is the root of the given quadratic equation. Okay, you write x is equal to minus 3. Second root is 0. Okay, whenever one root is a number, second root is always 0. Okay, don't forget for that quadratic equation. Okay, so this is the activity based question and it has the same solution as earlier question. So you have to solve it as the earlier question, like earlier question, there is no changes. So here this practice set is completed. Okay, very easy questions, same method you have to follow. You have to solve the equations by using just the formula. Use the formula properly, find the values of ABC properly, put that values in b square minus 4ac, and then we use the formula minus b plus minus in the square bracket b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and just put the values of okay all the factors at the place of ABC and do the calculation. You'll get your solution. Okay, here this practice set is completed, and in the next video we'll discuss about practice set 2.5 and final 2.6, and then we'll discuss about the problem set, and then we'll complete this lesson. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon button so you'll get the notification of upcoming videos on time. Thanks and keep watching. Have a nice time.